Howdy folks, here we have a 1972 Chevy C60. This is a really nice running truck. Fires right up, idles good. It's got a 20-foot box on the back with a steel floor. It does have an auger that will come with it, and also some extra panels for the bed. We just took those off or out of there to clean out the back of it. This truck is not a tandem axle truck. It has one live axle and the other one is just a tag, just so there's no confusion as to what you're getting. This is a 366. Seems like a real nice runner. Newer battery. We had the carburetor off and had the bowls off each end of the carburetor. They were leaking a bit of fuel. And now we got this thing to idle and run nice. Pretty sharp looking truck. It's been pretty well cared for. This is a 5-speed truck with a 2-speed rear. The odometer shows it has 95,460 miles. That's what it shows. But I do have the PTO already engaged. I'll lift this box up for you so you can see it. This has a really nice Napied hoist on it. It is set up with the auxiliary hydraulics for the auger. Pretty decent tread on these drive tires. A little less tread on these tag axle tires. We'll set her down and we'll set her down, and then I'll show you it moving. Goes down nice and easy. Clutch feels nice. Takes off really good. This is a, if I haven't mentioned it, this is a 5-speed with a 2-speed rear end. So it goes good, but it doesn't stop good. The brakes don't seem to work. Reverse works nice. Radio works. this truck will be selling at smithsalesco.com on October 15th. And thanks for looking.